time you're watching the FNO show, it's still a difficult day of trade. Agam, we weren't anticipating the kind of sell-off that we saw yesterday. In fact, exactly on the show yesterday, we were at the opening the 24,700 would hold.
Yes.
Most of the technical analysts we said to as well said that Nifty becomes, Bank Nifty is a buy with the 300 and Gujarat Fluoro, Action Construction, PNC Infra continue to sell off, Cochin Shipyard, Sundaram Fasteners are some of the other losers in the Nifty 500. But we have it as Ajit, Mishra and Brijesh Ayal both joining us with their technical view on the market. Ajit, I'll start with you first. I think the general consensus remains that avoid the index because it's far tougher to call at this stage and stick to stocks. But nevertheless, the Nifty is struggling to hold that 24,500 mark. How much of that is going to play out in your opinion? Is it going to be consolidate for most part of today and then maybe eke out a little bit of gains, or could it go the other way around since the temperament of the market is sell the rally? Not like there's any major rally, but sell the recovery, if I may.
Yeah, good morning, Samina. Good morning, Agam. So yes, till yesterday we were also anticipating that there could be some consolidation, but the way market slipped and in fact tested the 100 EMA after almost 4 or 5 months, so that indicates definitely serious pressure because after a long period of steady up move, we are down roughly around 7% from the record highs, and after testing 100 EMA, it seems like that the way the broader indices were under tremendous pressure yesterday. So all this indicates that this sell-on rise is something that one should continue with until we decisively break 25,100 level on the index. Intermediate also we have multiple resistance to look at positionally, and downside 24,000 is something that one can maintain as a target. Intraday, if we talk about Samina, so I feel that due to this outperformance from the select banking majors and rebound in the select heavyweights, we might defend this 24,353 level on the intraday basis, but upside also seems capped. So 51,000 in the banking index and 24,350 in the Nifty is something that Nifty might, the indices might defend. But overall tone is like remain negative. So yes, the prudent approach is still to look for stock specific opportunities and maintaining position on both sides.
Well, moving on, let's get Brijesh into the
G on Bank Nifty this morning.
Samina, we are trying to hold this 51,000 mark, but I feel that the upside still seems capped because we have resistance close to around 51,600 and we are currently in the middle of the band. So closer to 51,600, one can look to go short with 51,800 as a stop, and closer to 51,000 level, one can look to go long with 50,800 as a stop loss and 51,600 target. So one should play the range.
Okay, well, let's move on and talk about stocks then, and maybe if we can start by taking a look at all the stocks which are very active in the future space, specifically those stocks which are seeing traction in open interest with spend. And well, Ajit, I'll come to you on stocks which are on your radar this morning.
So yes, Agam, so considering the market tone, I feel that stocks, the sectors, themes which are holding strong is something that one should focus on, even for the long trades. And one such candidate wherein we have seen a fresh breakout is MFSL. So the stock was trading in a very tight range around record highs, and today we have seen a decisive breakout. So this indicates that the overall tone which the stock has been holding for last several months is likely to continue. The stock is trading at the record highs. This is another positive. So 1360 is what we are eyeing as the immediate target. So with stop at 1210, one can go long in MFSL. At the same time, PSU Bank, they have started showing sign of distribution, fresh breakdowns in the last couple of trading sessions. And Bank of Baroda is one such candidate wherein we are seeing potential breakdown in a near future. So 212 is what we are eyeing in Bank of Baroda as a target. So with stop at 242, one can go short in Bank of Baroda at current levels.
Jesh, what about you? What are your top stock? He's holding Axis Bank 1250 calls at 3. Should he hold? Should he exit? If we can just quickly look at what the 1250 calls of Axis Bank are currently trading at, they're deeply out of the money. Ajit, you want to have a go? What should Sunil do? Hold on to Axis Bank? The spot price as well is not seeing too much movement just yet in trade. At the strike of 3, what does one do?
Samina, as I can see on my screen, quoting at less than 1 now. So it's too late in case if you have bought it at current levels for any recovery also. I always recommend that stick with the ATM or ITM stock options if you are anticipating any rebound and playing it for a day or two. So here, since it's already deteriorated and it's too for OTM now, so you can continue to hold in case if there are any positive surprises in a couple of days.
All right. Ajit as well as Brijesh, hang on. We're going to take a little bit of a detour and address Coforge's earnings show. But lots more lined up on the other side. Stay with us, and we'll be back in just a bit.